If you need me, let me know.
In this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be doing another test of the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaner. It is at a dilution rate of 12 to 1. These wheels have not been cleaned probably all winter long here in the Midwest, as you can see there. So we are not going to pre-rinse the wheel. We are going to just apply the cleaner directly on it, let it dwell for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to pressure wash or pressure rinse it off. And then we'll see what kind of brake dust is left over. I will speed up the footage while the product is dwelling, and then we'll see if we need to reapply it and agitate. Okay, so now that the wheel has been rinsed, we're going to take our finger. See, it is clean. And as you can see, there's just a slight bit of dirt left over. Now again, this wheel probably hasn't been washed with soap, probably only rinsed twice during the entire winter. So a second application is not necessarily surprising. And here is what is left from the inside of the barrel. So this wheel will need a little bit of agitation. Again, on a well-maintained wheel that has some form of protection, wax, sealant, or even a ceramic coating for the wheels, and then a vehicle that is washed weekly, this can truly be a touchless system. It is starting to get warm enough here in the Midwest, so we're going to be taking the car out pretty soon, and I do have black powder coated wheels that I would like to not have to agitate at all when cleaning. Just rinse, foam, rinse, and then air dry, and pretty much just touch up after that. So for another test of the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaner, this time at 12 to 1. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.